Hello everybody and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. So what we got going on today is another gin cocktail that is a pretty old cocktail, right? This is the Turf Club, right? No one really knows the origin of the Martini, right? But this is one of the first and earlier recorded uses of gin and vermouth, which are the backbone of a Martini. So anywho, let's get started. First, we're going to go 2 ounces of our London dry gin. This is a very gin forward to vermouth, right? Because we're only going to go next with 3/4 of an ounce of our dry vermouth. Just only 3/4 of an ounce. Next, we're going to go 1/4 ounce of our maraschino cherry liqueur. Just only 1/4 of an ounce. Next, we're going to go 2 dashes of some absinthe. Just 2 dashes. 1, 2. And last, 2 dashes of our Regan orange bitters. 1, 2. Such an odd mix of ingredients. So I'm really curious on how well this tastes. Give it just a little before we add the ice. All right, let's give it our final chill stir. I don't know why I hold it like it's going somewhere. We're going to fancy her up with a Nora glass and a strainer. I like the appearance of it because it looks so clear and crisp. All right, here we go. Here we go, Turf Club. Cheers. It's a dry cocktail, right? Very, very gin forward. The ingredients pair really well. I was kind of weirded out with the absinthe because, you know, it's just a weird combination thing, but all in all, it pairs really nice together and it goes well. So, here's the Turf Club. Cheers. Don't forget to like, follow, and share. And make sure you hit your notifications also so you see when I got new videos. Anywho, cheers.